Cheeky Little Devil. We're chasing that 208 mini. Need those 3 red rubies. And $2 bets. Or a bonus would be nice. We need 5 chests for a bonus. Cheeky Little Devil is wild. For everything but the chests. There's the rubies. Wow, we got all the wilds there. On one line. Still nice. It's back in the game. Come on, bonus. And 1 queen, 2 chairs. That queen would have been a double line, I think. Come on, chest, do it. Come on, 2 more. Oh, 1 off. Rubies. Indeed, he's back in it. Okay. Still looking for 5 chests, 1 on each one. Never got that yet. And 5 wilds. Missing 2. Come on, 2 more. I don't think anybody's played this game in a few days. I haven't been here in a few days and it's still the same. Rubies. Let's do a $1.50 bet. Come on, rubies. Get the first one all the time. Alright, put some more money in. $2 bet. Come on. It's good when you start with 2 right away. And not good when you only get that 2 though. Come on. 2 cut chest with the ruby. Come on, 1 more. Yes, sir. 6 of them. Alright, we're gonna do the 7 again. Come on, re-trigger. Oh, Roman bats. Let's see, 1 or 2 good line hits here. Re-trigger maybe. Oh, look at that. Line of wilds. Oh, 2 purple ones, we're missing 1. Oh, come on, something line up. 9. Look at that. 3 jacks. 5x again. Back to the same spot. Oh, again 2 purple things. I'll take those. 9. I didn't even see these. That would have been nice. $18. 5x again. Where's the 10x, man? Last one. And started nice. And garbage bonus. I mean, it's not bad, but I'm betting $2 a spin. Yeah, a lot more than 16x. Do it. 1 off again. And 2. I'm not even teasing with the rubies now. There's 1 ruby. 3. 1 time, please. And 1 bulldog in the middle there for a line. Ace. Come on. 1. Come on, do it. Oh, 1 off again. Do it. Oh, 1 ace off. Still nice, $16. Chair. It's about to roll up to 210. Oh, 99. Ready to see it could roll up? Here we go. Come on. 1 ruby. 2. Come on, do it. Sure does give those first 2 a lot. Jacks. You can do it 1 time. And let's see 3 of those. 2. Come on. And a diamond. One more. Sure do get 4 a lot. Stealing the line from Vegas Matt. Oh, there's a Minor Jacks. $12 back in the game. Started good. Come on, you. Just 3 of you. One time. Okay. Still alive. Alright, so I don't know how many spins I did there, but it's only gone up 71 cents since then. Well, maybe a little less because I didn't keep track after it rolled after 10. Let's do $1.50 spin here. 2. Trying 4 max bet spins here, see if we can do something. Oh, where's the one? Missing one chest. $10. No. Get my money back twice. Do it. 3 times. Come on. And one more. Oh, I thought I was going to do the 5 that I've been hoping for. Oh, always one off. And there's the last 2 now. Hasn't even been teasing with the rubies, which is really strange. This is not ready to pay yet. Alright. Time to lower my bet. $60, about a mile away down. What do we got? Only about to. The menu's now at 215. Well, we need a good hit. Not the 10x. Ace. Look at this. Either of them been there would have been great. I'll do it. Ace. Even this fell there would have been good. $25, still better than some of the other bonuses I've gotten. King? Oh, the chairs too. $36, nice. Let me cash that out, leave a little bit of tip money.